Welcome to this physics-based simulation. The goal, to keep the main blue ball in the air for as long as possible. Using ChatGPT 03 Mini High in QODO Gen Extension of VS Code to make the code in Python. And after several bug fixes and tweaks and implementing adjustment sliders like game speed, blue and green balls, size and weight, we are here. It starts at the top, moving randomly and bouncing off walls, except the ground. Once it falls, the simulation resets. To keep it airborne, a smaller green ball spawns from the bottom and launches toward blue ball with precise timing and momentum. The lower blue ball gets, the more frequently green balls spawn, making each hit crucial. Realistic physics control how the balls collide and contribute to linear and angular momentum. The stats like hits, airborne time, and success rate, etc. are shown. How long the simulation can keep blue ball in the air. The system is based on prediction method that where the blue ball possibly can go at the time of hit. We can make several adjustments here, either by making it easier to balance the blue ball by increasing its size and boosting the green ball's speed and decreasing its weight, or by making it more challenging with tougher balancing conditions. Although it's quite decent to balance the ball for big ball and high speed, the next stage AI learning can take it to next level. I want to see the balance at next level. That is, the ball can be balanced even if the blue ball is small in size. In the next episode, we try to implement AI learning mechanism to the system and fine-tune its accuracy further.